So hello everyone. Now for the next design, you have to take a part of your hairs from the front and then you have to so for making this design you just have to simply twist the hairs and you have to repeat the process again and again until we are doing it here and secure it with the pin. Now for the next part again you have to do the same thing until and unless you get the result. Until and unless actually your hairs are all done, so you actually have to braid them, twist them as we are doing it here. So your hair cap is actually done. That's something different. I've never seen that. So now you have to again twist your hairs as we are doing it here, and it's actually a cap that too made up of your hair. What could be as sustainable as that? Okay, so now for the next part you have to take again the matting design only in consideration, but this time you have to take the last hair part and take it out as we are doing it here and done. So this is a very 90s type of a design, actually not even 90s, it's like a vintage design. So simple, it's actually not simple, quite tricky, but you can get it if you will see it once or twice. Now you have to take a section of your hairs and braid it. Now you have to take a different section of hair each time you are braiding so that you will get this fishtail braid kind of a thing from front. So yeah, now you have to take different hair strand on each side and take out some hairs for the extra volume. Now take your hairs from the back side and again start braiding so that you will get your desired result. You have to take a different strand each time for the braiding part and you will get your desired result. And you have to take your hairs from the end done. Put a ribbon in your hair and you have to twist your braid as we are doing it here, and each time you have to take a different section of hair and you have to take the ribbon also into the consideration. So every time first you have to take your strand of the hair and then the ribbon strand, and now braid it as we are doing it here so that you will get this very easy and simple ribbon design. And yeah, you can take ribbon of your choice. So it's all done and that's a nice braid. Okay, so your easiest thing is actually this one. You just simply have to roll your hairs, put it in the bun style and secure it with your hair pins, Juda pins, and done. So that is actually the easy one. You don't really have to even braid your hairs. So simple as that, and done. So if you want some extra volume, you can take out some of the hairs out and you will get this desired result. For the next part, you have to take a pair of your hair like this, actually from the middle of your hair. Put some hairspray on that, and now you have to twist them as we are doing it here. You have to spray the hairspray so that your hair will be intact as the ones here. Otherwise, your hair will just get messy. Again, put some hairspray, and then your hairs will be intact as the one we are doing it here. So whatever you make, if you are making this petal design, you actually have to spray some hair, and that too a nice amount of hairspray so that your hair will remain intact. Now for the next part, you have to first take two sections of your hairs, simply braid them as we are doing it here, and now take out the rest of the hairs from the inside of the last braid you braided, and just repeat the steps as we are doing it here and you will get your desired result. In the end, you have to secure your hairs with your hair bands and it's done. So thank you for watching.